Good morning, student. Today is my lecture number 76. As you know that I have solved question up to 53 in my previous video, and now today I am going to solve question number 54a of this chapter. So let us see the question first. Question is saying X Limited invited application for issued 1 lakh equity share of rupees 10 each at par. The amount was payable as follows: on application rupees 3 per share, on allotment rupees 4 per share, on first and final call rupees 3 per share. The issue was oversubscribed by 3 times. It means company invited application for 1 lakh, but application has been received 3 lakh. Applications for 20% share were rejected. It means 20% means 20% of 3 lakh. It will be 60,000 share will reject it, and after transferring in share capital account 1 lakh share, remaining 1,40,000 share will adjusted on pro rata basis. So question is saying money refunded, allotment was made to the remaining applicants as follow. There are 2 categories. Category first, number of share applied 1,60,000, number of share allotted 80,000. And in category 2, who have applied for 80,000 share, allotted 20,000 share only. Excess money received with application was adjusted towards sums due on allotment and first and final call. All calls were made and were duly received, except the final call by the shareholder holding belonging to category 1, who has applied for 320 shares. His shares were forfeited. The forfeited shares were reissued at 15 rupees per share, fully paid up. And next question is saying prepare journal entry for issue and forfeiture of share. Now student, first journal entry will be, this is your question number 54a, and first journal entry will be bank account DR to share application account, and amount will be on 3 lakh share at the rate of 3 each, it will be 9 lakh. 9L means 9 lakh. Now we have to adjust share, excess share and rejects also. So now first we will calculate how how many shares were adjusted on allotment, how many shares were adjusted on first call, and how many shares were adjusted on final call. So let us see. I am going to show you in next page. It will be working note for this question, and working note. Now in category first, you can see number of share applied 1,60,000. So I will write application money received on 1,60,000 share at the rate of 3 each. It will be total 4,80,000, and now allotted only 80,000 share, so minus adjust on application amount will be 80,000 into 3, it will be 2,40,000. Then remaining balance will be 2,40,000. And now we have to adjust on allotment. So allotment money is given 4 per share. So now adjust on allotment. So it will be 80,000 at the rate of 4. So now we can say total money will adjust on allotment, because total allotment money due will be 3,20,000, but extra money I have only 2,40,000. So we can say all the 2,40,000 will adjust on allotment in category 1. Now category second is, you can see in question, applied 80,000 share and allotted only 20,000 share. So I again repeat, application money received on 80,000 share at the rate of 3 in category 1, and it will be 2,40,000 rupees, and minus adjust on application, it will be 20,000 into 3. So only 60,000 rupees will adjust with application. Remaining balance 1,80,000 extra money, and minus now adjusted on allotment, it will be on 20,000 share at the rate of 4 each. So total will be 80,000, and remaining balance will be 1 lakh. Now we have to adjust on first and final call. So minus adjust on first and final call on 20,000 share at the rate of 3 each only, because remaining balance is given 3 each, first and final call. So it will be 60,000 only, and remaining 40,000 is still left. So it will return and rejected, refunded automatically, because we cannot kept this money and we have to return it. Now question is also saying 20% of share were rejected and the money refunded. So 20% share means it will be 20% share means 20% means 20% of 3 lakh shares. It will be 60,000 share, and at the rate of 3 each, 1,80,000 rupees also be rejected, that means bank account. So we can say that total bank account will be 1,80,000 plus 40,000 in this question. Now journal entry. Journal entry will be bank share application account DR to share capital account to share allotment account to share first and final call account, and we can write calls in advance account also, first and final call account, and to bank account. Now student, I have received total money 9 lakh on 3 lakh share at the rate of 3 each, and I have to transfer in share capital only 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh share. So it will be 3 lakh in share capital account, and on allotment you can see in first category we have to adjust on allotment 2,40,000, and in category second allotment money adjusted 80,000. So total allotment money will be adjust 3,20,000. So we will write 3,20,000 in allotment, and share first and final call we will adjust only 60,000 rupees, because in category first there is no adjustment on first and final call, and in category B 60,000 adjusted on first and final call, and in bank account 1,80,000 plus 40,000 will adjust. So I will write 60,000 in first and final call, and in bank account it will be 2,20,000. Now Next journal entry will be for due of allotment money. So journal entry will be share allotment account DR to share capital account, and it will be on 1 lakh share at the rate of rupees 4 each. So total will be 4 lakh rupees 4 lakh. Now allotment money received, then journal entry will be bank account DR to share allotment account. Now question is saying, student, all calls were made and were duly received except the final call by a shareholder belonging to category 1 who has applied for 320 shares. His share were forfeited. So there will no effect on allotment money. Now I will write 4 lakh minus allotment money received already with application 3,20,000. So it will be 80,000 only. And after receiving the allotment money, first call money will due. So journal entry will be share first call account DR, first and final call account DR to share capital account. Now student, it will be 3 lakh on 1 lakh share at the rate of 3 each. And next journal entry will be bank account DR calls in advance account DR. You can write or not, it is depend upon you. And we have to write also calls in arrears account DR to share first and final call account. Now amount will be on due is 3 lakh and I have received with application 60,000. So it will be in calls in a advance account, and one shareholder who have 320 share applied, not paid share first and final call money, but shareholder belonging to category 1. So we can say that one who belong to category 1 and applied for 320 share, so it have must 160 share allotted, because 80,000 is the half of 160,000, 1,60,000. So half of 320 will be 160 share. So one who did not pay final call money have allotted 160 share only. So we can say that only on 160 share first and final call money not received. So it will be calls in area on 160 share at the rate of 3 each. It will be 480 rupees only, and remaining balance out of 3 lakh will shown in bank account. So now it will be 2,39,520. Now I have to forfeit this share. So you all know journal entry for forfeiture of share capital account DR to share first and final call account to share forfeiture account, and amount will be on 160 share into 10, it will be 1,600, and calls in area on first and final call 480. So we can say that remaining balance will share forfeiture account, and it will be 1,120 rupees. Now question is saying the forfeited share was reissued at rupees 15 per share fully paid up. So bank account DR to share capital account and to security premium reserve account, because face value of share is rupees 10 only, and it is reissued at the rate of 15 per share. So at the rate of 15 per share, it will be 2,400 rupees, and 16,100 will be in share capital, and at the rate of 5 per share it will be 800. Now we can see there is no loss at the time of reissue of forfeited share, and we have forfeited amount 1,120. So in journal entry I will transfer 1,120 rupees at the time of transfer in capital reserve. So journal entry will be share forfeiture account DR to capital reserve account, and amount will be 1120. So this is the solution of this question. Students, you can see this is working note of this question. This is working note. You can take a screenshot and this is the solution of this question. This is solution, and you can also take a screenshot of question. I will solve next question in next video. Thank you for watching the video.